In this question, we are given the sum of the first four terms of a GP is 3.75. First four terms, so is S4. S4 is 3.75. And you are also given the sum to infinity is 4. So you are given S infinity is 4. So suppose to find first term A1 or A. In the common ratio R. If you talk about sum to infinity, we know that sum to infinity is A over 1 minus R. And under the condition R is between minus 1 and 1. So which means your answer here R must be inside this range. If you don't get an answer between minus 1 and 1 for R, then your answer is wrong or your working is wrong. So it must be in the range. So S4 is 3.75. S infinity is 4. You use the formula S4 is A 1 minus R power 4 over 1 minus R. Then 3.75. And sum to infinity is 4. And this is the formula for sum to infinity. A over 1 minus R. So you can observe that this part A over 1 minus R appear in S4. So this part can be replaced by 4. So which means instead of dividing the two equations, you can also do it this way. You replace this part by 4. So it's 4 bracket 1 minus R power 4 is 3.75. So we divide by 4. 1 minus R power 4 is 3.75 divided by 4, which is same as what you get here. And then you can solve for R power 4 is 0.0625. And then you take the fourth root, there are two possible answers. R can be plus 0.5 or minus 0.5. Remember to put a minus sign. When you have even power, you have to put plus minus, because a negative number to power 4 is still positive. A negative number to even power is also positive. So when R is 0.5, you can make use of S infinity is 4 to solve for A. A is 2. When R is minus 0.5, you sum into the equation for S infinity equal to 4, you'll find that A is 6.